Daddy, and I'm Ethan. We're here building boats and rockets and building. And here,
Okay, you do it.
the chimneys and the boats. Here, the circle.
Here you go, you copy it.
Sunset.
It's going to do this boat.
Oh yeah, it's like this.
Okay, I'll go.
What? What's
Ay,
this?
ayun.
I see the boat.
Sige po. This is from where? Where did we get this?
I get this in Jollibee.
Okay, I'll go. You do the biggest boat. Okay,
Okay.
please.
The pair that. Wait, it's the shirt. Wait, like this. Like this.
Okay, sige.
Right.
Oh, you put it here.
So I see that. Oh.
There's a lot of choices. We have this. So you can copy this. You can do this too.
Huh?
And also this.
Oh.
There's a lot.
Oh, it's this one.
All in all, there are 10 pieces of this that you can
that's
do.
Right. Go like this.
You put it on the floor, on the table, so you can copy it.
Oh, we're gonna go.
And then, what's next?
And the long one here. The long one fish here. Yum.
Yan.
And get this one side down. And that. Oh wait, I got the wrong one. Ding.
Okay, and then,
And the chimneys.
the chimney. Wow. Where?
Okay, I got this one. Okay, over here, this one the longest, and the small one.
Where?
The consistent. Oh yeah, it's ready. There.
Oh, smile. Wow. And this is the ship.
Shipwreck. A
Shipwreck. Are they the same? Did he do it? Ayan, no?
Yeah, I did it.
Wow.
Like a boat.
Okay, how about this one? What is this?
A rocket.
This is a racket, and he will do it too. Okay, I'll put it here. Then you copy it. What's your favorite food in Jollibee? Ishan.
Is it chicken?
Mm.
Is it burger?
Mom.
Oh, you copy this. Good one.
Oh. Good. Ayan na.
It's okay. You're doing it na pala. I think you put the other one.
I'm making the bigger one. The big one,
Is it?
very bigger.
Oh wait, you're gonna make a way bigger one.
Yeah, make a
But I
big.
think it's not. Is it the same?
Yeah, they're big. This one's longer, like two. This one's only one.
Oh.
And this.
Minodify niya daw yung kanyang
Ooh,
rocket ship.
Why? Fly? Oh,
Instead of this, he did that.
it's not flying. It's just a toy.
Oh. Okay, so what's that?
It's a rocket. And just
It's a
like a toy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Smile ka sa camera.